Hi guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a Chrysler AM-8 track out of a '69 Dodge Charger. This is a conversion. It's been converted to FM. It also has the Bluetooth and USB features, and it has my super cool little master input-output box that serves as a nice central location to connect your aux input. You got your subwoofer output, and you got your 4-channel line outs for connection to an external amplifier if you like. And so let's go ahead and fire it up. This comes from Sauger, Pennsylvania. Brian out of a '69 Charger. Let's go ahead and turn the radio on. Got it set to FM at the moment. And you guys are probably so sick of the procedure that I do to make these videos. I'm not going to run all the way across the dial like I've been doing. Kind of pressed for time today, so we're just going to tune in a few stations so you know it's working.
Right here, plugs had some sort.
Okay, flip it to AM real quick. There's our AM. Okay, and there's an AM station, which, as you know, is affected by a nearby power line.
We are happy to say the
There we go.
attempt to take out Bernie Sanders, and that.
Okay, back to FM. Okay, now we're gonna make sure the balance control is working. Check out our output level meters here. Turn our balance to the left, right, left, right. And now we're going to activate the virtual front rear fader. Do that by giving the tone control two turns upwards on this unit. Fader adjust. And now this tone control is adjusting the front rear speaker balance as it's supposed to. Okay, let's test our aux input real quick. I can find the, and I'm just going to feed a quick tone into it like I always do. Going to feed our quick tone into our box. There's one side, there's the other side, and now of course it's going to take 20 seconds for the radio to come back because of the Vox circuitry. If you don't like the delay, just turn the unit off and right back on, and it cancels that delay. So we're going to go ahead and wait for the radio to come back on, then we're going to test a couple other things here. Just be a few more seconds for that radio. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's test our, let's make sure our Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. Okay, didn't quite catch it that time, so let's try this again.
Bluetooth ready.
There we go. Okay, so now it's trying to pair, and of course I don't go to all the time to do that. Let's make sure that it works. Let's go ahead and test the USB. I got my radio commercial here. We don't need these meters anymore, I don't think. Okay, got my radio commercial, which I can play in its entirety because I own the copyright.
I hated those who got me.
Classic ride, got a Mustang, buddy, it's a '69, but she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car, I can't hear the guitar, and all my tapes run slow too. Radio smoking, 8-track that's broken. What can I do? Send it to 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center.com.
Okay, pull out my stick. Radio should come back. There is our radio back, and now the 8-track function. Got some Neil Sedaka.
Pairing not completed.
Okay, pairing not completed. All right, let's try one more tape. Got some Herb Alpert, and this is the first time I've heard Herb Alpert's music since I saw him in concert about 5 days ago. That was one cool concert. Now, Herb did a lot to emphasize the stereo effect. That's why you're only hearing one side right now. Got both sides back now. Alrighty, pull the tape out. Radio comes back. That concludes the test. Let's just make sure the dial light works. And there's our dial light flashing on and off. And needless to say, the customer is in possession of the faceplate. Probably is having it re-chromed at the moment. So that concludes this test, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I can do with a classic car AM radio with or without an 8-track. We can add FM, Bluetooth, USB, aux input. Who knows what else by the time you're ready to do business. Thanks so much for watching and listening. My website's in the description below, and my phone number for paying repair work only, not for parts, belts, or free repair advice, is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Say hello to my favorite cat. You can see her tail right there. Thanks for watching and listening, guys. See you next time.